Number one, does it glorify Jesus? So does this revelation that you have, the revelational knowledge, does it glorify Jesus? Another one, does it align with Scripture? Does it align with Scripture? Number three, does it produce peace? Number three, does it produce peace? Does it lead to obedience? Does it lead to obedience? John 14 verse 15 says as follows, if you love me, keep my commands. So, does it lead to obedience? Does it edify in love? Does it edify in love? Number one, does it glorify Jesus? That's number one. Does it align with Scripture? Number three, does it produce peace? Number four, does it lead to obedience? Number five, does it edify in love?